Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss MCQs related to spectroscopy. So let's start the video. First, mass spectroscopy generate dash dash ions: A. Parent ion, B. Fragment ion, C. Radical cation, and D. All above. So we know that mass spectroscopy generate parent ion, fragment ion, radical cation. So option D is correct, which is all above. Second, in mass spectrometry, for the analysis of sample required must be in dash dash state: A. Solid state, B. Liquid state, C. Vapor state, and D. Plasma state. So in mass spectrometry, sample required must be in vapor state. So option C is correct, which is vapor state. A cation with 100% abundance is known as A. Parent ion, B. Base peak, C. Fragment ion, and D. Radical cation. So, cation with 100% abundance is known as base peak. So, option B is correct. The deflection of ion in mass spectrometry depend on A. Charge, B. Shape, C. Charge mass ratio, and D. Size. So in mass spectrometry we can find charge mass ratio. So deflection of ion in mass spectrometry depend upon charge mass ratio. So option C is correct. The pair of electron on heteroatom stabilize the dash dash charge on carbon: A. Positive, B. Negative charge, C. Neutral charge, and D. Both A and B. So pair of electron and heteroatom stabilize the positive charge on the carbon. So option A is correct, which is positive charge. 6. McLafferty rearrangement involve A. Intramolecular migration of gamma hydrogen, B. Rearrangement, C. Fragmentation, and D. All above. So we know that McLafferty rearrangement involve migration of gamma hydrogen, rearrangement, and fragmentation. So option D is correct, which is all above. 7. In fragmentation of benzene, which MZ is base peak? Here base peak means 100% of abundance. Option A is 78, B 77, C 51, and D 26. So firstly we will see fragmentation of benzene. Here benzene is given, and firstly electron emission takes place. So m by z is 78, then hydrogen is removed, then m by z is 77. In third step rearrangement takes place, in which cyclobutane is formed and m by z is 51. So base peak 100% abundance is equal to 77. So option B is correct, which is 77. 8. What is genesis of butyric acid? Four options are given: A 85, 71, 59, 45, B 88, 71, 60, 43, C 90, 73, 60, 43, and D 88, 73, 59, 45. So we will see fragmentation of butyric acid. Here butyric acid is given. Firstly electron emission takes place and having M by Z 88. Then removal of OH takes place having M by Z 71. Here 100% abundance means this is base peak of butyric acid. Then removal of CO means carbon monoxide takes place. Then M by Z is 43. Butyric acid having gamma hydrogen, so McLafferty rearrangement takes place, and then M by Z is equal to 60 is formed. So option B is correct, which is 88, 71, 60 and 43. 9. McLafferty rearrangement is shown by A 3-pentanone, B 2-pentanone, C 3-methyl-2-butanone and D propanone. You know that McLafferty rearrangement is takes place having gamma hydrogen. So firstly we will see the structure of four options. You can see 3-pentanone does not having gamma hydrogen, 2-pentanone having gamma hydrogen, so McLafferty rearrangement takes place in 2-pentanone. 3-methyl-2-butanone does not having gamma hydrogen, and propanone does not having gamma hydrogen, so option B is correct, which is 2-pentanone. 10. Nitrogen rule states that compound containing dash number of nitrogen atom will have dash number of molecular weight: A even, B odd, C even odd and D both of these. We know that nitrogen rule states that compound containing even number of nitrogen atom having even molecular weight, or odd number of nitrogen atom having odd molecular weight. So option A D is correct, which is both A and B. 11. Which will be the ratio of peak compound contain 2 bromine atom? So four ratios are given: A 1:2 1:2 2, B 2:2 2:1, C 1:2 2:1 and D 2:2 1:2. So you know that there are two isomers of bromine, which is bromine 79 and bromine 81, which is occur in ratio 1:1. So we will find the ratio of that by using A plus B bracket square formula. You can see A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So S plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 square is equal to 1:2 2:2 1. So option C is correct. 12. Which was first modern technique used in mass spectrometer and used positive rays to determine ratio of mass to charge of various constituent? A HRMS, B MALDI, C FD and D EI. So EI is the first modern technique which is used in mass spectrometer and used positive rays to determine the ratio of mass to charge for various constituent. 13. Fast atom bombardment means FAB is developed by A. A.J. Dempster, B. Michael Buber, C. Stephens and D. Wille and McLaurin. So fast atom bombardment is developed by Michael Buber. Option B is correct. 14. The spectrometer uses extra stage of electrostatic and magnetic forcing to form a precious beam and detect mass of particle accurately, that is 1 part in 20,000. A. MALDI means MALDI, B. EI, C. CI and D. HRMS. So HRMS used extra stages of electrostatic magnetic forcing to form a precise beam and detect mass of particle accurately. Option D is correct, which is HRMS. So if you have any doubt about this, you can mention it in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.